Hello everyone. So today's video is about variation, how to create variation in Amazon in the correct method. So there are three ways of creating a variation. One using the internal system, using an existing listing, and one using flat file. Let's start with existing listing. First, you need to know the category of your product. So for that, you will just take the product name. Let's say our product is pool shock. I just written pool shock and searched it on Amazon.com website, that buyer website. I've clicked and opened three listings to check the category. So this is the category of our listing. That's chlorine and cleaning tools and chemicals. And again, I re-verify the category. So that's chlorine. So now you need to download a template for flat file. Let's first do the template thing. So you go to add a products via upload, and this will come under catalog, add a product via upload. Then you will go to spreadsheet. Then you will download blank template. So here there are different options. You need to go for list products that are not currently Amazon catalog, download product catalog, and then you will write the last word of the category. So that's chlorine, and I searched it, and you should see here. So there is a template. Select it and just download it by clicking generate spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet will be downloaded in few minutes, and then you will get this spreadsheet. Now before working on the spreadsheet, let's talk about the internal variations. You need to create an existing listing. Like click an existing listing, click add it. Then after add it, you will go to the variations tab. You will go to the variations tab. Then you will variations tab, you will select create variation. For this listing, you can select size, color, item name, whatever your listing implies for. Then I will select size, let's say continue. And then what happens? You see here that SKU is added in the size with size variation, and all the details are there. So this listing misses the size inside it product details page. So for that, you need to first and foremost thing, you need to add size and color to each of your listings in the detail page section, like product details here, so that once it is added, like here, so once it is added, then it will appear in the variations. Otherwise, it will get missed and it will not be created from internal system. So for this, like for this listing, we have a different product, but we don't have a size and color option. I'll let you know that how to create size and color option for this listing, which does not have an inbuilt, like in the inbuilt template. So once you have the size and color, then you will add, like according to new system, they have given a SKU option. So you will add, once you create a parent child list with one of your childs, then afterwards you go to the parent listing, like the main listings. This is the main listing, you see here. So now once you added this main listing, you will have an option of SKU. You will add any SKU here, and it will add to this parent child automatically and filled in all the details. Make sure you have color and size already written in the individual listing. Then it will get data and populate it here. Otherwise, it will not populate, and you need to add it manually. Then afterwards, you need to click save and finish, and that's it. You will come back to your listings and it will show up like this on the Amazon detail page. Now, for the listings which do not have size and color in their product details page, how to add that? So for doing that, you need to go to the template, like a flat file. Then you will get this parent details, and then you will get this child one of your child details. Then afterwards, once you have parent and child details, then you can select the before selecting color theme. Let's do it like this way. You need to have a seller SKU. So seller SKU, you can write it on yourself. You can say call 1 2 3, whatever it is. So this is used to identify the parent and child relationship. And then you need to, if you're creating it new, then you need to click update here. You need to click update here, and if you are like re-uploading more childs to a current parent, then you need to select partial update. I'm adding a new child to this variation listing. So that's why I've updated partial update. Then afterwards, you need to fill all the details. Okay, make sure that you do not write any product ID or type in the parent. You only write product name, description, manufacturer partner, that is not needed. Then you will going to select item type keyword. Normally it's a drop down, and whatever template you will download, it will say automatically what's the item keyword is in the drop down. But our listing is swimming pool chlorine. I know that I've added the item type keyword. exactly into the template for all of them, parent and child. Then I'll go to the pricing. So for pricing as well, you don't need to add it in the parent, you only add it in the child. Then this is the most important part, variation parentage. So for the parentage, for the parent listing, you will select the drop down parent, and then you will select the variation theme. There are different variation themes. You can select any one. Mine variation theme is size and color name. I have selected that. Then for all the childs, you select child in the parentage. You will put that parent SKU which we created previously in front of each child, so that each child know that which parent they need to go. Then you need to select the relationship. What is the relationship? It's a variation. So you will select variation from the down for all the childs, and then variation theme will be the same. Then when you add variation theme, you must know that if you are adding variation theme as size and color, you must write size and color in the listing. So I'll go to right away to the size and color box, and I'll write all the colors and all the sizes what are required. Don't add it in the parent, only add it in the child. Then afterwards you will go ahead and yeah, you will go ahead and add item condition. So item condition is very important. You can add it in parent, you can add it in child, but that must be new or used, whatever it is, but you must add it. Otherwise, this flat file will not work or the variation will not be created. The list price you add it for all of your childs, not of the parent. So that's it. This is the shortest method by which you can create a parent. You can create a parent listing very quickly. And one thing I need to mention here, people think that people lose reviews while merging a listing into a parent or while creating a parent. So that is not the case. Once you merge all your child into a parent, where the reviews will be automatically merged, it takes around 48 to 72 hours for reviews to get merged. And one more important thing is, if there is a data missing in one of the childs, and you want to delete and update something, then you can delete that listing for 24 to 48 hours, and your reviews will not lost. They will come back when you recreate the listing with correct details. Now for those listings where there's in detail page there is no size and color, so for that you use flat file. Once you add and upload a flat file, then in the product detail page the size and color will automatically populate. Let me show you in one of my existing listings, and let me show you here. So I'll go here. So see this listing does not have a size and color. So what I need, I have uploaded the flat file, edit size and color, and that will be created inside this listing like this. For example, this is the you can see here. One second, let me show you the other one. So this is my existing parent. I'm opening one child to show you this one, edit listing. This listing, in this listing, there was no option of adding size and color name in the template. So I use flat file, and now you see here. Here is the color and size. So it is automatically added, and later on you can edit it internally whenever you want. So this is the method by which you can quickly create a parent and child. Yeah, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you need help in creating any parent and child relationship, please do comment in the comments box. Do subscribe and like my channel so that I can upload more videos. My next video will be on PPC. PPC, how to create PPC for beginners, advanced, and expert level. And I'll let you know when my next video is coming. Thank you so much. Have a good day.